On this video, I'm gonna have Justin to show you everything you need to know about them. So let's get into it.
Thank you, Steven. Now let's take a closer look at these headphones and see just what they're all about. In the box is gonna come with your reference guide and warranty, a 3.5mm jack, a USB to USB-C for charging your headphones, and the Sony Ult wears. Now if you're one that likes listening to music while you're taking a walk outside on the beach or maybe in the library studying, these headphones will help you get the right sound wherever you are because they come with adaptive sound control. Now what this means is that these headphones will adjust to give you the best sound no matter what location you're in, whether you're in a loud space or a very quiet room. These Ult wears has a frequency response of 5 Hz to 20,000 Hz. On top of that, you have your Ult button on the side of the headphones. When pressed, it'll give you a big boost of bass. Taking a closer look at the headphones, it's mainly covered in plastic. It's got soft padding for the top of your head and on the ear cuffs, and they feel really comfortable. If we move the ear cuffs over, you can see that there are vents for the air to travel through, and inside you can see the 40mm drivers. And when you flip your headphones over, on the left earpiece you can see your microphone, your 3.5mm port, USB-C for charging, the LED light. There's your power button, which can also be used to connect your devices through Bluetooth. You have a noise canceling and ambient mode option, and you can toggle it. So for example, if someone were to come up and talk to you, you can turn off the noise canceling so you can hear what they're saying through your headphones, so you don't have to take them off. And we got the star of the show, the Ult button. It's also got a nice foldable design, so you can fit snug in your case and take it wherever you want to go. Another really cool feature is that if you take a look at the side of the headphones, there isn't a single sign of a button. But this whole thing is touch sensitive. So you can swipe right to go to the next track, left to a previous track, up for volume up, and down to turn your volume down. And you could also tap the middle to play and pause. And when you're listening to your music, if you take your palm and cover the side of the headphones, it will temporarily turn off the noise canceling, similar to what the button does. And when you take it off, it'll give you the noise canceling right back. Now when you're listening to music, you don't have to reach in your pockets for your phone to play and pause it. This comes with instant play and pause, which means if your headphones are on and your music is playing, when you take them off, it'll automatically pause it. And when you put them back on, it'll resume your music. Now you might be thinking, with all the features that these headphones come with, it's gotta drain the battery, right? Now that might be the case, but these headphones come with a whopping 30 hours of battery life with the noise canceling. You also have the option to turn off the noise canceling, which will extend your battery life to up to 50 hours. These headphones also have quick charge, which means if you sit and charge these for only 30 minutes, you will get an hour and a half of battery life. And if you charge these for 10 minutes, you will get a whopping 5 hours of battery life. In my hand, I have the forest gray one, but you could also get it in black and off-white. And speaking on the bass, the Ult button is on a whole nother level. It's very similar to when you're watching a movie in theaters and you hear that bass rattling, very similar to that. I'm not kidding. And on top of the headphones adjusting to where you're at so it can give you the best sound, you can always create your own EQ with the Sony Connect app. When you have connected your headphones to the app, you could toggle your noise canceling to ambient, or you can just turn it off in general. You can see that it has multiple EQs. 9 of them to be exact. Now here's where you can customize your own EQ. All you have to do is have music playing in the background and it'll help you get you that perfect sound that you've been looking for. And you could also set up your 360 reality audio. If you scroll a little further, here's where you can turn on your adaptive sound control, so the headphones can adjust to wherever you are. It also memorizes locations that you go to frequently. And if you're someone that likes to carry 2 phones on them, these headphones are compatible with dual pairing.
So you need a review on that television? Oh, hold on, I got another call. Sure, no problem, working on it.
Which means if you're listening to music on one phone and you're getting a call, the headphones will automatically connect to the other phone as the primary. It's also compatible with Hey Google and Alexa, so wireless commands are always an option.
So let me get those. So it looks like they're good for music, but how good are they for making phone calls? Justin, you should show them a test.
This is what the microphone sounds like indoors on the Sony Ult wear. This is what the microphone sounds like outside. Right now, I got a bunch of cars driving by me and it's pretty loud out here.
So what it comes down to, you want to spend $300 or you want to spend $200. And a lot of times these are on sale for $150. So you might want to go take a look at them and see if they're the right one for you. Also, you can read some other people's reviews, but in my opinion, I think these are really good bang for your buck with all the features that they have. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.